Welcome to JG Eats, brought to you by Stovetopyumyum. And today, it's all about chicken thighs and that street style corn on a budget. We got some corn boiling here. We're going to boil these for 10 minutes. This is our chicken. We're patting it down right now. Always make sure to wash your hands when you're cooking with your chicken. Now we're going to start seasoning them. Remember to preheat your oven at 350. Now we're seasoning our chicken. You can put as much as you want, less as you want on it. Remember, this has no salt, no sugar, no gluten. Just that awesome flavor that you love, guys. Come to love from Stovetopyumyum. This is the Cuban original, the one that started it all. It's an amazing blend. Now we're going to spray with a little VO juice, our vegetable oil. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. For the mayo, always use the back of the spoon. Want to get it all over it. Spread that mayo on. That looks good. Can't wait to take a bite of this. That looks real good. There you have it, folks. And now we're going to use some of our blazing gunpowder. Put some of that heat on that corn. So folks, this is amazing heat. I'm going to put it all over it. It's going to get some more. And now we're going to put some tortilla cheese on that. We're going to get it all over it. Now we're going to garnish it with our green onions. Our green onions, like my wife likes to say. She's a big fan of green onions. Me too. Don't forget, folks, our blazing gunpowder has no salt, no sugar, no gluten, no artificial flavors, so we kept the flavor. And that is an amazing corn. Now we're going to plate and serve. Look at that chicken. Look at that. We used the original on that. There's the corn. Amazing. Look at that. Under $10 to feed a family of 4. It's an amazing dish. There you go, folks. Look at that chicken. It's so good. I can't wait. I'm gonna take a bite out of it. That's amazing. That's real amazing. We use our original blend on that. Our Cuban sazon. What an amazing taste. Remember, folks, no salt, no sugar, no gluten. Just an amazing, amazing taste. I'm gonna put this down for a second. corn here. Look at that corn. That's awesome. I got it all over my mouth. I'm sorry, folks. I gotta wipe my mouth. But, don't forget, we use our blazing gunpowder on this. What an amazing taste. Stovetop yum yum. Let's go.